In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact page in Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Let's start by navigating to the Canva homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in Canva's URL to get there. Once you arrive on their site, you'll notice the visual suite laid out before you. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and click on the login button. Enter your credentials and sign into your account. This step ensures you have access to all your projects and features necessary for building your contact page. Once logged in, you'll want to go to Canva Home. Simply click the Home button, usually located in the upper part of the interface. This is where you'll manage your projects. Now, look for the section labeled Projects and click on it. This is where all your previous work is stored, and you'll need to access a project where you want to add a contact page. After clicking on projects, choose the specific project you're working on or want to modify. Once you've opened your chosen project, let's move to the apps section. To find this, look towards the settings or main navigation area and click on apps. This nifty feature gives you access to many different integrations that Canva supports. Next up, you'll want to search for the embed feature. The search option is typically straightforward. Just look for a magnifying glass or a bar labeled search. Canvassing through the options, type embed into this search bar without quotes and hit enter. Once located, go ahead and click on embed. Now this feature allows you to bring external content directly onto your Canva design. For today, we'll be embedding a form into your contact page. The final touch is to paste your Jotform link into the provided space. Ensure you have the Jotform URL copied and then simply paste it in. This will create a fully functional form within your contact page layout. It's a straightforward method to allow visitors to reach out directly through your website without redirecting them elsewhere. And just like that, within a few minutes, your contact page is complete and ready to be published in your Canva website project. Remember, keep your forms concise and clear to encourage communication. Thank you for following along with this quick tutorial. We hope this guide helps you create an effective contact page to support your communication efforts on your website. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more useful tips.